Good morning everybody and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show how to implement the BusyIndicator control available in the Essential Studio for Xamarin suite from Syncfusion. More specifically, I'm going to implement this control in a Xamarin Form application. For this example, I'm taking advantage of the Xamarin Form starter kit that I published to GitHub as an open source project. So basically, we will use the BusyIndicator control to replace the built-in activity indicator control in Xamarin Forms. So let me show what the sample application does. If you open the project on the GitHub page, you saw that this is just a newsreader for the Channel 9 website. And if you now refresh, you can see the built-in activity indicator control from Xamarin Forms. We will replace this with Syncfusion's BusyIndicator. So the first thing you have to do is adding the proper references. Let's start by adding a reference in the portable class library project. So add reference. I already have a list of recently added references, but let's click browse for the sake of completeness. Then you have to go in the folder where the libraries of Essential Studio for Xamarin are installed. In my case, because I have a 64-bit machine, they are under Program Files x86, Syncfusion, Essential Studio, the version number, Xamarin lib. Here you can see as subfolders, each containing libraries for a specific platform. So in this case, I'm going to enter the PCL folder, and then I'm going to select the syncfusion.sfbusyindicator.xforms.dll library and click Add. Okay, great. The next step I'm going to do is adding references to platform-specific projects. In this case, I'm just targeting the Android project, but the steps are very similar to the other platform-specific projects. Add reference, browse. I go again in lib, Android, and then I will find 3 specific libraries for the BusyIndicator control. So I will select all the 3 libraries and click Add. Okay. And here we go. That's it. Now, let's go to the main page.xaml file and let's add the proper XML namespace to import the Syncfusion control. So I'm calling this namespace with the BusyIndicator identifier, and I'm going to specify the namespace and the assembly name. Okay, at this point I can replace the activity indicator control with the BusyIndicator SF BusyIndicator. You probably know that the Xamarin IntelliSense is still missing some capabilities, so you have to pay attention in writing manually some code. Then I'm going to replace is running with is busy. The next thing I have to do is specifying the animation type. Okay. Here you can see a list of supported animations. Let's start by the horizontal pulsing box. Okay. Now, in the code behind file, I have to replace the is running property with
Again,
here is busy. And as you can see, as I told you before, IntelliSense still needs some work.
All right.
And then is busy. Great. Now let's rebuild this project. Okay, cool. Now let's start the application again. Let's click refresh, and as you can see, there is a new animation provided by the BusyIndicator control. Let me show it again. All right, great. Now, let's go back here and let's select a different animation type. So, for example, we can select globe, which is okay when downloading contents from the internet, for example. Okay, so let's see a different animation. Again, great. The official documentation from Syncfusion provides detailed information for each kind of supported animation. So these are the steps you need, whatever animation type you choose. Now let's see how to make some customizations to the BusyIndicator control. Let's return to the horizontal pulsing box and let's see how to customize a bit the BusyIndicator control. So for example, you can select the different sides by assigning the viewbox width and viewbox height properties. So for example, I can select the viewbox width and height properties and assign 80 as a value, and let's start again. As you can see, it's larger. So if you need a BusyIndicator control of a different size, you can just change the value for these two properties. So the BusyIndicator control contained the Essential Studio for Xamarin by Syncfusion is an amazing control that allows you to show customers that your app is busy in a very more appealing way. Thank you for watching this video.